Hello friends, welcome back to my class that is Concept by Pandey sir. Actually, we are having a series of classes on engineering graphics. In the previous class, we have discussed about basics of projections of points and the projections of straight line. And in the previous video, we have discussed about four cases. Okay, and today we shall discuss about 4 to 5 cases more. So this is part 2 of basics of projections of straight line. In the previous class, we have seen different cases like line is parallel to both HP and VP, line is in on both HP and VP, and so on. So today we shall discuss about these 4 points, okay? And a special case here. Line is inclined to both HP and VP. So this last one is a special case that will deal in a separate video, but today we shall discuss about these 4 points like line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP, a line is inclined to HP and in the VP, and the last one, line is in HP and inclined to VP. So let us begin the first case. Let us begin the first case. See friends, this is the setting which we have done. Okay. The question is line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So imagine this a straight line. This is a straight line. If you look at this straight line, you could see that this straight line is inclined to HP but parallel to VP. See, it is inclined to certain degree. If you could see clearly, you can see that there is an inclination. Okay, if I move this way, you could see that this straight line is inclined to HP. Okay, inclined to HP, but parallel to VP. See, could you see? This straight line is inclined to HP, but it is parallel to VP. It's parallel to VP. Now, for the same projection, let us write its front view and top view. Since it is inclined, if you look from this side, what can you see? You could see, imagine what can you see? You could see the straight line starting from here till here. You can see the total length of this straight line, right? See, for example, I'll just rotate it for your better understanding. Okay, in front view, you will be looking from here to here. That is my front view. See, you can look now from front view. You are able to see the whole line, the whole length of this straight line. Oh, that is my front view. Now, let us look this from your top view. If you could see from top view, still even in top view, you are able to see the whole straight line from here to here, from here to here. So when you look the same straight line from front view, you are able to see the whole length, whereas even in top view, you are able to see the whole length. So how to draw? How to draw its projections? Okay. So for this, if this is my xy, okay, as you know that this is inclined to HP. This is what? Inclined to HP. So this is my HP. So it is inclined to HP. To what degree? Theta. To what angle? Theta. And what they told? Parallel to VP. Obviously it is parallel to VP, right? So I'll draw here projections. So parallel to VP. If this is A dash, this is B dash, here you will have A, comma B. So A dash and B dash, A and B. Now, as the line says, it is inclined to HP. Now see, it is inclined to HP with certain angle theta and parallel to VP. Now you should see here one that this length, the top view, which is called as top view, this is called as front view. This A and B would not be same as A dash and B dash. The length of A dash and B dash would not be same as A and B. Please measure and let me know. What is second case? Line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. How to do? If you could see here, the line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. See again. Line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Could you see the whole line? I'll just try to rotate it so that you get a better understanding. No, this is the best. See, okay, this line is now inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So what happened? Now look the same thing from front view. Even if you look from front view, the whole line is visible. Now, if you look from top view, even then the whole line is visible, right? So if you see from front view, the whole line is visible. If you see from top view, the whole line is visible. So how to draw? How to draw? So in this case, if this is my xy, since it says that line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So parallel to HP, A dash, B dash. Draw its projector and inclined to VP. Inclined to VP. A comma B. You could see that this line A dash and B dash are parallel to HP and a line is inclined to VP. So this A and B are inclined to VP. To what? To a certain angle, theta. So in the question, they will mention you this theta. And remember, there's a simple, we can't say trick, but remember the point is this HP, like HP is associated with front view and VP is associated with top view. This is actually separate, okay? Don't worry about this. But for time being, remember that if the line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP, we should get this image. Next, what is the third one? Line is inclined to HP and in the VP. Now, the thing is what? In the VP. In means what? Origin. In the sense origin. So how to put? If you could see this line, this line is inclined to HP but in the VP. But in the VP means what? In the VP, in the origin. But it is inclined to HP. Now I'll just try to rotate it. Could you see? It's in the origin, right? It's in the origin. Now, if you look from front view, the whole line length is visible. Front view, the whole length and line is visible. Okay, and even from top view, the whole length is visible. So how to draw for this? That is, line is inclined to HP and in the VP. So if this is my XY, as they're saying that line is inclined to HP in the VP, means we'll begin here, so since it will begin here, since it is in HP, so here you'll have top view A comma B in the VP. This will be my top view, inclined to HP. So from certain distance we'll have inclination. This will be my A dash comma B dash. To what inclination they have to give in the question. Okay, since they told in HP here. If you see the last but one case, line is in HP and inclined to VP. So for this means what? If you look this one, this line is now inclined to HP in VP. Just quite opposite. Next one is what? Line is in VP and inclined to HP. So for this is my XY, right? The line is in HP. So we'll begin here. A dash, B dash. See, this AB is the length of the given line. And draw its projector and incline to VP. So A comma B. To what inclination? Theta. That they have to mention. And A dash B dash would not be equal to AB. This AB is my top view and this is my front view. Okay, even it is top view, this is my front view. This is my front view, this is my top view. Okay, so this is the one you have to follow in case 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Obviously one is important and the last case we'll discuss is line is inclined to both HP and VP. This is a special case. It takes time, so we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, please comment me and please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.